For the best experience, please watch this video on a phone or tablet. Set the resolution to high. Stand up and pan your phone to look around. Farmers are the backbone of rural communities. Madagascar is no exception. Deeply affected by climate change, facing droughts and cyclones, farmers in Madagascar are struggling to secure a consistent supply of water to grow crops, regardless of season. Under the guidance of OSDRM, the Organisation pour le Soutien du Développement Rural à Madagascar, an affiliate of the Aga Khan Foundation, farming in both urban peripheries and remote rural areas is being transformed. For years, OSDRM has been working hand in hand with community members to enable them to construct and maintain hydro-agricultural infrastructure, including dams of various sizes. From farm-level check dams to much larger seasonal river diversion initiatives, these structures, some permanent, some temporary, significantly improve the ability of farmers to cultivate rice and off-season crops. A few years into the initiative, and the impact of the dam construction is tangible. Fields that were impacted by erratic weather patterns are now thriving under controlled irrigation. Soil, water, plant life, and local communities have all experienced a revival. Through water users associations, farmers learn how to manage dams, thus ensuring sustainability across communities and across generations.